Alright guys, welcome back. We have another question from the second chapter of engineering mechanics by Hibbeler, and we need to determine the magnitude and the orientation of theta of the force Fb so that the resultant force is directed along the positive y-axis and has a magnitude of 1500. So from the question, we know that the resultant, which would be if we use that parallelogram rule, so it has to be along y-axis, so there is no x component, and it has 1500 newtons for the magnitude. And we solved these questions using trigonometry in the previous videos, and we're going to go with the x and y components in this one. So first of all, the resultant, we know if you want to show it as a vector, doesn't have any x components, so 0i plus 1500 newtons for the j, and that means if we do, we know this component is sum of all forces in y, and this component is sum of all forces in x equals 0. So what we are missing is the Fb and theta, and we have two equations. We know this is equal to 0 and the other one is 1500, so we should be able to find the unknowns. Let's start with the Fx equals 0. Let's see what we have. So we have the x component of 700, which is this component. We have that angle, so basically this one. It's going to be 700 sine of 30, and we have also the x component of Fb, which is what we have in here, and we can see it's negative, so negative Fb cosine of theta. And from here we can sine of 30, we know it's 0.5. We can conclude that Fb is 700 divided by 2, 350 time over cosine of theta. That's first equation. The second equation, sum of all forces in y equals 0. So we have the y component of Fa, which is this force. So 700 this time will be cosine of 30 degrees, and we have also the y component of Fb. That one's also upward, so again positive plus Fb, this time will be sine of theta, and now all this will be equal to 1500. So from here, Fb will be 700 cosine of 30 degrees, negative 1500 over sine of theta. That's what we're going to get from the second equation. And actually, these two are both equal to Fb, so we can put both equations equal to each other, cosine of theta. And if we just cross multiply this and bring sine on here on the left side, we have sine of theta over cosine of theta equal to 700. Cosine of 30 minus 1500 over 350. We know this is tangent, so our theta would be tangent inverse of that value. So tangent inverse of, we have this ratio 700 cosine of 30 minus 1500 and 350 here. Yes, so the negative sign, it's because this is actually, this one's negative, this one's positive. I made a mistake. So here also this is negative with positive, and we're just going to get the positive value in here. So this is negative, this one's positive. So the angle will be 68.6 degrees. So that's the orientation that the question is asking in the first part. We also need to find the magnitude of Fb, which is pretty easy. You just have to put here 350 over cosine of this value, which was 68.6. So 350 divided by cosine of 68.6. Yeah, that's going to give us around 959 newtons. And that's going to be the magnitude of Fb. And the last thing that this question is asking. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.